Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will make perfect side dish, broccoli raisin salad. If you like broccoli, you have to try this delicious recipe. I've been making this recipe all the time for the holidays, includes Thanksgiving, and everyone loves it. And let's go start it. Let's get started, and first I have to cut bacon. Look at this bacon, it's beautiful. It's not much fat, will be perfect for my salad. I will cut bacon about a half an inch long. Okay, the bacon is cut. Next, I will cut broccoli, and I will use all parts of the broccoli for this salad. Just cut small pieces like this. It's a perfect cut like this. I will continue cutting the broccoli. Broccoli salad is my favorite salad. I love broccoli. Yes. Raisins, perfect combination. It's a very simple side dish for holiday. Would take no time to make the salad. You see, the broccoli is cut, beautiful. And the last part, a red onion. We need just half a small onion. This one is kind of big, so I will just use 1/4 of this onion. If you like more onion, you can always put more. And we're done with cutting today. The skillet is on medium high, and I will cook bacon until it's crisp. That bacon looks beautiful. So addition to my broccoli salad. A little bit bacon flavor. Yummy! Okay, see the bacon looks great right now. It's nice and crispy. The bacon is done. Turn off the stove. And now I will drain bacon on a paper towel. Bacon is nice and crispy. And now I will start making broccoli and raisin salad. Let's go combine all the ingredients together. First, broccoli. Perfect. For this recipe I have 1 bunch of broccoli, 1/4 of cup raisins. Bacon will be half a pound. The bacon is so crispy. Excellent. A red onion. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Canned sugar, 1/4 of cup. And white vinegar, 2 tablespoons. And now I'll combine all the ingredients together. There's lots of colors. Red onion combined with green broccoli and delicious raisins and crispy bacon. If you like broccoli, this is your perfect side dish. A broccoli raisin salad is done, and I'll keep in the fridge for a couple hours. It's best to just make the salad the day before. Crispy bacon on the top. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out, and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.